Hi, I'm Madison, and you are watching the mini plant hanger tutorial. This kit comes with 2 mini plant hangers. Your first step is going to be to separate 3 of the natural cords and line them up so they are even at the bottoms and they go up to make a loop at the top. Then you're going to grab the extra long colored cord from your kit and you're going to tie a knot a couple inches to the left of the center of the loop. You're going to pull pretty tight on that knot just to keep it secure. Then you're going to take the colored cord and start wrapping all the way around the natural cord. And you want to pull as tight as you can and also make it line up perfectly without any of the natural colored cord showing through each time you go around. After a few loops around, I like to stop and push the cord up a little bit and tighten it and just make sure it looks really nice. Once you've twisted enough to be able to make a loop, you're going to fold the loop together and make sure the bottom of the natural cords are all lined up evenly. If they're not, you can kind of push the rope a little bit to adjust it. Once they're even, you can continue wrapping that colored cord around both sets of the natural cord. Continue wrapping the cord all the way around the natural cord, pulling tightly each time and making sure there are no gaps and the rope is secure. Once you have a few inches of rope left, you're going to stop and tie a knot at the bottom, pulling very firmly to secure all of the rope. To hide the tail, you're going to flip the hanger over and separate it into groups of 2 and trim the tail and tuck it right in the center of all of the rope so it's secure and it also looks nice. Once the top part of the plant hanger is finished, you're going to move down to the bottom. At the bottom, we're going to tie a wrap knot. So starting from a few inches from the bottom, you're going to grab the other piece of the colored cord and make a U-shaped. Loop the colored cord all the way down, securing it with your pinky finger, and bring that long tail up, and you're going to wrap all the way around the natural cord and back to the front, still having that little tail coming up from the top. Continue to wrap that colored cord tightly around all of the natural cord. Sometimes changing the angle helps you get a better grip. Continue wrapping the colored cord all the way around, making sure that loop made by the colored cord is still there. Making sure the rope is pulled tightly each time because this is what the weight of the plant will sit on. Once you have reached that bottom loop, or you're at the end of your rope, you're going to tuck the tail in the loop. Leave the bottom tail through the loop, then go up to the top tail and pull that up. That will pull up the loop, tighten it, and also hide the bottom tail. Your last step is just to trim those extra tails, and using scissors you can tuck them in and hide them in the rope. You can also trim the ends of the natural cord to make them all even. To place your pot in the mini plant hanger, separate the rope into groups of 2 and place the pot in the center, making sure it's balanced, and hang up anywhere you'd like. Thank you so much for following this tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it, and post your pictures and don't forget to tag me. Thank you.